Hello everyone, so good day. So for today we are going to discuss about the percentage, rate, and the base. Alright, so for today we are going to know how can we compute the percentage, the rate, and the base. Alright, so let's start on finding or solving for the percentage. So, in solving the percentage, we use the formula P is equal to R multiplied by B, where P is equal to the percentage, R is equal to rate, where the part of the base which is expressed in decimal or percent form, and B is equal to base or the entirety, whole, or the total amount. Alright, so we have here an example. 14% of 250 students are outstanding. How many are they? So, in problem number 1, we are to find a part of the entire population. Cases like this involve finding the percentage. So, the percentage represents a part that is taken from a whole or the total number or an amount. So, to find it, we use the formula P is equal to R multiplied by B. Alright, so when we are solving, first we need to find the given or the stated value. So we have here the given, the base, and the rate. So the base is 250 and the rate is 14% or 0.14 that is converted into decimal. Alright, so in solving, we need to follow the solution. So, R multiplied by B. So, we have 0.14 multiplied by 250. So that we arrive to the product of P is equal to 35 or the percentage is equal to 35. So, therefore, 35 out of 250 students are outstanding. Alright, so that's how we compute for the percentage. So, next is the finding the rate. So, we need to find the rate. So, we also have formula in finding rate. We have rate is equal to percentage, divide it by the base multiplied by 100%. So we have here a problem asking for the amount of the rate. So there were 1,200 youth leaders from the Philippines who participated in the recent Youth Summit. Around 60 of them were as young as 11 to 12 years old. What percent of the delegates from the Philippines were 11 to 12 years old? Alright, so in the problem 2, it is clear that what is being asked is the rate since the word percent is mentioned. So, to compute for the rate, we use the formula R is equal to P over B multiplied by 100%. Alright, so we need first to find the given value in the problem. So we have the base which is equal to 1,200 and the percent which is equal to 60%. So to follow the formula, rate is equal to P over B multiplied by 100 and then substitute the value of the given. So we have R or the rate is equal to P which is 60% over 1,200 which is the base multiplied by 100. So we need first to divide the P over B. So P divide it by B or the base. So 60 divide it by 1000. So we have 0.05. So then we multiplied it to 100. So we have the answer, or the rate is equal to 5%. So therefore, 5% of those who participated in the Youth Summit are 11 or 12 years old. Alright, so what if the problem is asking for the amount of the base? So in finding the base, we have the formula P is equal to R multiplied by B, or the alternative formula, which is B is equal to P over R. Okay, so let's try to answer this problem using the formula mentioned. So we have the problem: 18 members of the music ensemble watched Justin Bieber concert in Manila. If this number is 36% of the total number of the members of the club, how many members does the club have? Alright, so in the last problem, the base is missing since we are asked to find the total number of the members of the club. To compute for the base, we use the formula P is equal to R multiplied by B, or the other formula, which is B is equal to P over R. Alright, so let's solve the problem. Again, when we are solving a problem, we need to find first the given. So we have the given: percentage is equal to 18 and rate is equal to 36% or 0.36. So first we need to use first the first solution, which is the P is equal to R multiplied by B. So substitute the given to the formula. So we have 18, which is the amount of the percentage, is equal to 0.36, which is the rate, multiplied by B. Alright, so we need to cancel out for them to find the value of the base. So divide both sides by 0.36 to cancel out, and then the B left. So 18 divided by 0.36 is equal to B, because we cancel out the 0.36 on the right side. Then 18 divided by 0.36 is equal to 50, which is the amount of the base. Alright, so aside from that formula, we also have the alternative solution, which is the B is equal to P divided by R. So we have B is equal to P, which is 18 divided by R, which is 0.36. Alright, so 18 divided by 0.36 is equal to 50. Alright, so either you use the first formula or the alternative solution, you can arrive to the finding the base. Okay, so that's all for our discussion for today. So I hope you learn from it. And then for your activity, kindly answer the page 123 on your book, the reinforce A and B. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.